Hi, welcome on in. Today, we're going to do something very simple. I'm going to teach you how to use Spout with OBS with your VTuber set as a software. In this case, we're using Vnyan. So how to use Vnyan Spout. Here we go. Super easy. First of all, first and foremost, what we're going to do, super simple. Don't worry. Don't panic. No panicking. I told you not to panic. Here's the plan. What you're first going to do is you're going to grab this plugin. So the Spout plugin, going to grab it, go to download, scroll down, hit the download, open it, hit yes, next, I agree, install in your folder location, wherever your OBS is saved, put it there. I got an error saying retry, so I got to close OBS. Boom, finish, boom. Next, over on our beautiful Vnyan, what we're going to do is go to menu, settings, graphics, scroll down, use Spout 2, Vnyan Spout. You can name this VTuber if you want. I'd suggest just keeping it at Vnyan Spout. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up OBS. Boom. In OBS, you're going to create a new scene. You're going to name this the VTuber asset scene. In here, you're going to add a spout. You're going to add a spout capture. Name it Vnyan. Hit OK. Spout senders, set it to Vnyan Spout. Opaque, you set it to converted pre-multiplied alpha legacy. Done. Move it down. All right. Next, we're going to add the camera movement. To do that, you click the link in the description, hit download. You're going to download it for your software, preferably the installer zip. You're going to open it. Once you've opened it, extract it. Once you've extracted it, install it. Yes, install. Close OBS Studio. Hit next. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to grab source clone. You're going to hit download, download window installer. You're then going to drag it into a folder that you can find. Once there, double click to install. Hit next, next, install. Then you're going to open OBS. You're going to right click on VTuber asset scene or the scene that you named your VTuber thing. Go to filters, filter. You're going to add a move source. You're going to name this one cam default or cam DE. Just like Vnyan, the custom duration, set it to 150 milliseconds. Hit transform, scroll down all the way to the bottom. Next move, you're going to not touch that for now, but on next move on, you're going to hit hotkey. Duplicate this. Name it cam zoom. You're going to set next move to cam DE. Go back to cam DE and set next move to cam zoom. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on cam zoom. Click on the Vnyan source. Scale it up just a tiny bit. Get transform. Now, whenever we click this hotkey that we will be setting up, you have a zoom feature. You can zoom in, zoom out. Next, you're going to go to your main scene. You're then going to add a source clone. You're going to name this VTuber default. Select the source to clone is VTuber assets. Disable audio. Well, actually, no. Keep audio. Set to active clone. Next, you're going to add another source clone. Do the exact same thing. You're going to do it twice. This one, you're going to name to your first color. So in my case, I'm going to name it pink or VTuber pink. Hit OK. Disable audio for the pink one. Set to active clone. And then do it again, but this time for blue. Active clone, disable audio. And OK. Now, you are going to move default all the way to the top. Next, what you are going to do is click on blue, right click, filters, add filter, color correction. Next, what you are going to do is set the gamma to max, the contrast to minimum, and you're going to set the color multiply to blue. You're going to set the brightness to maximum as well. Hit close. Actually, reopen the filters, duplicate filter by right clicking on the color correction. You're going to hit copy, close, go to VTuber pink, filters, right click, paste. This time, select pink. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to slightly scale these guys out to be itty bitty tiny. You're going to move them to where they need to be. You can use the arrow keys to move them. Boom. And there you go. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to select all of those. We're going to group it. Name the group me. Then put the model wherever you want. You can do the same by moving your avatar in Vnyan. It does not matter because what we've done essentially is we have enabled a, what's it called? We have enabled a zoom feature. Now this is just for demonstration purposes, but you can make it look better than mine. I think to do that a little bit. There you go. Oh, my ADHD's kicking in. Oh, that's the stuff. I'm sorry. That's how I have mine set up. There you go. You have enabled spout and outlines and zoom. The last thing that you can do is go to File, Settings, go to Hotkeys, search for Cam, and then what you're going to do is Cam DE, set it to numpad 0, Cam Zoom, set it to numpad 0, and apply. And now It's zoomies. There you go. Boom. You have the Vnyan spout, zooms, and outlines. Bye.